So I bought my wife a massage for Christmas. So it was like just a gift card. And I didn't want to like just give her a gift card. So I wrapped up the one chip challenge box and like put it in a box and then put the gift card like under it. So she thought that's what I was giving her. She fell for it for like half a second. And she looked under it and saw the gift card. Anyway, we are in a trade. Oh, it's not showing my orders again. Let's see if I can change time frames. Make the order come back. Por favor, do's that. And still not there. Crap. You can see I'm in 100 shares at average 382.5 though. You can see where the strategy entered to. Small bounce right away. Current sell is just above 383 actually. SPY has been nice and strong today. Nice and strong, allowing us to hammer out some obviously very good trades. Hopefully SPY can remain strong. I always say, like, you know, it's never really like, as long as I don't break my rules, it's never really like on me like day to day whether I make or lose money. It's more so up to SPY. Like, if SPY can remain strong and keep giving me these opportunities, then I'm gonna make a lot of money. It's not like I didn't do great. That's not why I'm up $130. All I did was stick to my strategy. Like, like on red days, as long as I don't break my rules, I just stuck to my strategy. Same thing. Works both ways. How was your poop the day after the chip? It was actually fine. I had no like residual effects from the Hot Ones chip or the one chip challenge, whatever it's called, which was nice because that was the part I was really worried about. Hostage Giraffe, thank you for the follow here on Twitch. I appreciate you, my friend. A lot of new followers here on Twitch today. We're actually pushing 6,500 followers. That's so sick. Thanks, guys. 2023 is going to be big, boys. We're going to grow this account, continue sizing up. Once again, at the beginning of this year, the beginning of 2022, I would be stoked if I had a $50 green day. I'd be so happy. If I made 50 bucks, I was over the moon. Now I'm up 130 right now, and it's like, man, you know, it's a pretty normal day. Pretty normal, 130 bucks up. And it's not even, the market hasn't even been open for an hour yet. We're gonna continue that same growth scale in 2023. Hopefully this time next year, I'll be like, I'm up 450 bucks. It's whatever, you know. If we continue that same growth scale, we will be. We are red in this trade. I actually haven't seen like any red today. Well, that's not true. That's not true. The first trade we took, we saw some red here, but the second trade we took is relatively immediate bounce. Let's see. Let's see what this does. I gave my wife a used gift card for Christmas. It's the thought that counts. A used gift card, bro. Wonder what would happen if you put that into a smoothie and pranked someone. It would hurt them a lot. If you put it in a thick enough smoothie, I mean, they would still be able to tell, but it might not hurt that much. I don't know, if you like ground up the chip into like a nice thick strawberry banana smoothie, it might make a lot of the spice go away. It probably would, wouldn't it? You would imagine it would. I would imagine you'd still feel it. I love the New Year's stock market. The past year is just all prep to learn and watch everything that happened before. Yeah. Rolling into the new year, it's like I said, I kind of feel like that every month. It's kind of like every new month is like, ooh, exciting, a clean slate for the month. Now you get a clean slate for the year. To take everything you learned from last year, roll it into this year to hopefully have an even much better year. And you continue doing that over and over again, obviously, as you grow. We bounced back to break even in this trade for a second, but now rolling again. I say rolling. We're down $10. Oh my God. No way, bro. My second New Year trading. Love learning the madness. It's quite addicting, even if you aren't in big money. It's interesting as hell learning. Yeah. No, I mean, I got addicted to trading. That's why I do this. It's why I'm live just about every day making content and making YouTube videos, and I'm very addicted to this stuff. When I first found trading, like when I first saw a trade chart, I spent at least 4 hours a day, every day. I'd come home from work and I'd put on YouTube and I'd watch trading videos until I went to bed. Like every day for like months. I got really, really into it. And I'm still like, I guess this is just my passion, I guess, you know. Any joke that causes pain without the person knowing is fucked and evil. Could get yourself in a lot of trouble too. If it like does cause irreversible damage. definitely how people get sued. Anyway, we are rolling back over here. Cool, Spy. Cool is now. Are you going to be weak now, Spy? Strong. Are we just going to roll it all off now? Nah, surely not, right? Surely not, right, Spy? Passion of making money? True. Well, I've always, even before I found the stock market, I've always loved looking for patterns. It's like something I've just always enjoyed, pattern searching. And two, I've always loved the idea of not working on salary, right? Like jobs that you get paid more, the better you do at it. And the stock market obviously fits both of those things very well. I think that's why it's so me. Like, okay, back to break even in this trade. Nice bounce. Ammo. We've had to slide the sell condition down a bit, so we're not looking for a whole heck of a lot in this trade anymore. But still be nice to make some money here. Definitely would be better than losing money. Making money is always better than losing money. Okay. We're up $18 and almost out. It got close. It got within 10 cents because the next bar is we have to move our sell condition up a little bit. Next bar now. The next bar is not open for another 50 seconds though. Let's see. We're going to get out on this one. Got close. And right back down to break even. Okay. All right, Spy. All right. Do I invest in real estate? I do not. I mean, I own my house, but I do not invest in other real estate, no. I don't have a lot of money. I mean, it took me a while even to get $25,000 in my trading account. I don't come from money. I shouldn't say that. It makes it sound like I come from the mud. Like I don't come from nothing. My family's okay. But 7 seconds. Water and cornflakes. Now we could afford milk with our cereal in the mornings. Yeah, we were all right. Come from a middle class family, put it that way. Trying to change that, for not only for myself but for my kid, right? Investing really early for my kid so that by the time he turns 18, he'll have money to get into stuff like that. So. And we're out. We made $22 in that trade, I believe. Nice. $149.50 up. It's 10:32. The market's up and open for an hour and 2 minutes, and I'm up $150, chat. 9 segundos. Unfortunately, the candle is bouncing a little bit before we get in, but that is okay, I guess. Well, it's got to be okay. I don't have a choice. 382.84. We are long. Current sell is 383.22. Can we just go ahead and get up there? Spy's been, for the last 10 minutes here, Spy's been kind of just chilling. Kind of like lost its volatility here. It's kind of just chilling, but still a buy. The RSI is still well above 55. The RSI is still at 66, so definitely still a buy, even though it's chilling. The momentum indicator is still pointing upwards. So. Remember, chat, most people are teaching you to use RSI the wrong way. I have a whole video about this. It's actually my favorite video I've ever made on YouTube. You should find it if you haven't seen it. When I utilize code to backtest RSI strategies, it's actually one, it's not profitable to buy when the RSI, just buy when the RSI is oversold and sell when it's overbought. It's not profitable. It actually is profitable to do the opposite. To buy when the RSI is overbought and sell when it's oversold. But nobody teaches you that. Everyone teaches you the other way. Think about it. bought means too many people are buying. Probably a good time for you to buy. Ride that wave, ride that trend, right? Like, I feel like everybody, especially like beginners, get into trading and they want to be a trend reversal trader. Like, sure, you could buy, you could, and I'm not saying there's no strategy that buying when the RSI is low wouldn't work. Of course, there's got to be a strategy that it does, but just blindly using the RSI, it doesn't. But I'm sure you can mix it in other ways. But I feel like everybody comes into the market and wants to be a trend reversal trader. Everybody wants to like time the reversal of trends. I'm not gonna, that's very, very hard to do, ladies and gentlemen. Trading's already hard. Why does everyone want to bet against the trend? Well, I know why they do, because there's huge potential returns if you get it right. The thing is nobody can get it right. Not nobody, but most people can't get it right. It's hard. It's hard to bet against the trend. Hard to bet that like, oh, Tesla's going to turn around now, right? I keep talking about Tesla, but Tesla's going to turn around now. Where do you buy Tesla? Sure, if you bought it here, you look, and that's another reason why, because people think about like, oh, if I bought Tesla here, look at how much I'd be up. But if you bought Tesla here, you would have also bought it here. This looks really no different than the other chart. This really looks no different than the other chart at 160, at 140, at 170. Like, timing that trend reversal is so hard. Like, ow. Anyway, we are down $15 in this trade, rolling a little bit. Rolling. I keep using the word rolling. It's not that bad, of course. Oh, yeah. See, I opened my mouth about rolling. Now it's going to start going. Here we go. Here we go. Now what do you want to do, Spy? Now what do you want to do there, fella? Oh, this will be a gross time to roll because the 300 SMA is all the way down there. Depends on the trend. For big caps, it's impossible. I just think it's hard in general. Like, trend wins more often than it loses. That's like the underlying definition of a trend. If that statement wasn't true, then there'd be no such thing as trend. Everything would just be random. The underlying definition of trend is that it's going to continue more than it's not. That's what a trend is. So obviously it's easier to trade in the direction of the trend that is continuing than it is to bet against it. If you believe that the market has trends, which if you don't in this conversation, I guess isn't for you, but I think most people do believe in market trends, then you know, roll with them, right? And I don't, someone's going to get mad because someone's going to be like, Trey doesn't know. Counter trend trading is very profitable. If you can figure out counter trend trading, it's very profitable. But almost nobody can figure it out. It's very, very, very difficult. and it's always beginner traders that want to try to, like, it's always beginner traders that get into it because beginner traders very easily get allured by this idea of huge profits. Yes, counter trend trading can provide huge profits, but can you keep your win rate high enough that it's actually profitable over time? There are definitely people that can. There are professional counter trend traders. I'm not saying there aren't. I'm not saying it's impossible, but if you're a beginner, just roll with the flow maybe a little bit more, you know. Buy the RSI when it's overbought. Don't buy when it's oversold, you know. That's where this all started, was talking about the RSI. By the way, nice bounce. We got close to getting out there, but not quite. It's done this in just about every trade today, kind of push up towards getting out before it's kind of teased us on all of our sells today, but it's working well so far, so I can't cry too much about it. I see Hoth hitting my scanner down there, by the way. If you guys are watching on YouTube, join us on Twitch. You get a free stock scanner if you watch us live over here on Twitch. Trade live right in front of you for free every day. And if you guys on Twitch haven't seen my YouTube channel, check out my YouTube channel. Look at this. Look at this cross-pollination advertising. I counter trend trade and can attest the majority of the time I'm losing. Maybe stop doing that, Chicka Bow Wow. See, this is why we journal, right, Chicka? If we see that most of the time we're learning, if we see that talking is hard, chat. If we see that most of the time we're losing, we need to develop a new strategy. Smash the like button, YouTube. There you go, Cyborg. Let them know. Hit that like button. If you guys are still watching, this trade is going to be late in the YouTube video. I might split it up into 2 videos again. I kind of liked that. Because I don't trade every day now. Actually, a lot of days I just don't trade now. Like when SPY sucks, I just don't trade, which is a good thing. I don't want to be trading SPY when it sucks, but so I might split it up, like make these 2 trades a video and then make these 2 trades a video instead of just like one long 30-minute video. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. We'll see how I'm feeling. Come on, push it on up a little bit more here, SPY. We're up, we're up $11. This is not going to be a big trade because SPY is kind of lacking volatility here, but still be nice to make some money, yeah. Kind of getting to that point in the day now, right? It's 10:53. We're getting close to that lunchtime kind of lull, and that's how I trade, counter trend swings and scalp momentum. Nice. I'm a trend continuation trader, if you guys couldn't tell from that whole speech. Yes, I buy dips. Yes, I like to buy weakness, but I buy weakness amongst strength, right? I don't buy Tesla, right? I don't buy that kind of weakness. The ticker has to be strong, and then I buy weakness. I'm looking to get in at a good price. Doesn't mean I'm chasing, but I want to be buying into strong stocks only. That's why, as I just showed you, a lot of days, like when SPY sucks, like I just don't trade SPY. Like I don't try to buy SPY when it's down here sucking. Like don't try to buy SPY when it's down here like shit. Like it's fine. I'd rather not be trading on those days. Better to not trade than it is to lose money, right? Come on, SPY. You're kind of twerking at this 383 right now. Let's get over this and get me out. Did I say SPY is twerking at a price level? What the? Anyway, what's up, chat? How you guys doing? Long and strong. He's down to get his gains on. I say fellas. Yeah, fellas. The bottom line on the red candlestick, is that the amount or price of stock sales? What do you mean bottom line? Is that the amount or price? Sorry. This is the amount. So it's both. Are you talking about this? 100 at 382.845 it's both. It's 100 shares at the price. The line. This line is just a price channel. This is just an indicator. This is showing the lowest point of the last bar minus 10 cents. So what it's calculated here is the low of this candle minus 10 cents. That's why it's painting here. By the way, we are 4 cents away from getting out. 5 cents away, whatever, from getting out. Ooh, there's only 10 seconds left in this bar, though. To quickly slide my sell up here if I don't get filled. Which it looks like I'm not going to. Sell does slide up. Oh, even more, actually. Looking to make another $10 in this trade now because it pushed the line but didn't break the line. You see it in the same thing with the green. That's why it's got a 10-cent buffer on this, too. That's why, like, when it does that, I have to move my stuff up. The wick. The wick is just showing that this is the low of the candle. Right, so on a red candle, the top of the bar is the open, the bottom of the bar is the close, and the wicks are the high and low. It's just showcasing, so all a stock chart bar does is showcases what happened to the price action at whatever time frame you're looking at. So during this 2 minutes, this bar opened at, by the way, out of that trade. I think we made about 35 bucks in that trade. We're up $186 now. That is sick. Anyway, yeah, during this 2-minute time frame, it opened at 382.83. It has a low, or it closed at 382.60, and it has a low of 382.49 and a high of 382.85. So just showcasing price action at whatever time frame you want to put it on, and then you can change time frames. So now I'm looking at 1 hour. So now each one of these bars represents an hour. Same thing, but it's representing an hour now.